doTERRA's On Guard essential oil is an incredible natural way to keep your immune system in check. doTERRA's On Guard essential oil is specifically made with a blend of essential oils to support your immune system. A blend means that it uses specific essential oils to make a formula to do a specific task. There are 5 key oils that make up this essential oil blend. The first is cinnamon. This spicy and sweet oil is known to promote a healthy immune system and can also help freshen the breath. The second is wild orange, which contains powerful antioxidants that support a healthy immune system. Now the third is eucalyptus. Aromatically, it cleanses the air and is emotionally uplifting. Now this type of eucalyptus oil that doTERRA uses, Eucalyptus globulus, is one that you can actually use internally if you choose to use it that way, opposed to regular eucalyptus oils, which you should not be using internally. The fourth is rosemary. Now rosemary promotes healthy respiratory function, it reduces fatigue, it calms tension, and it also supports digestion and concentration. Now the fifth one is clove. This one helps freshen the breath and supports the immune system thanks to its high level of antioxidants. Use doTERRA's On Guard the moment you start feeling that you need a little extra boost to your immune system and to keep away those sick days. If you're interested in knowing how to use this essential oil in your home, make sure to check out my top uses videos, which shows you step by step of how you can start using it at home.